Hello everyone, welcome to this GD Test Automation channel. In this video, I'm going to focus on a little bit about on test automation for freshers. So overall agenda is to give you the difference, what's how the test automation role is different from the development and why we should choose the test automation role as a fresher and how it is different than the development and what are the good opportunities available compared to the development role and what language I should start learning to start this particular career. So, and I will be posting the further videos to give you the details that how you can start this test automation as a fresher. What are the different tools you should learn? So we will be covering each and everything. So I will be posting the series of videos for that. And also we will talk about that what are the different paths available to start this particular career. So let us focus on to the first part, that is the test automation role compared to the development. Now in the typical development, the role can be a front-end developer or a back-end developer. It depends like whether you will be building the UI or mainly you are dealing with the back-end things to design the services, dealing with the back-end databases, performing the calculations and whatnot. But here the test automation role is a little bit different compared to the development. Like here the application is already built. You have to write the script that automatically tests the application. Now, how we can build that particular script? You can choose, you can build application a script to test these applications in various languages. Maybe you can use the Java or C# or other languages, but mainly the Java language is being used in the industries currently. So that particular application means you can test this through test automation script. And then why we should go for the test automation role? Why we should go for the test automation role instead of moving away from the development? You know that if you want to build any application, you choose the some technology stack, like maybe the say Java based technology .NET or .NET framework or .NET standard, some sort of technology you need to choose and you can build the application there. So if you choose the career inside .NET and say if it is say, oh, means look, we do have a career now in the .NET, but down the line it may reduce, the demand in the market may reduce, then it will be again a start for you. Then again you have to leave that technology and start learning the other languages and other technologies, right? But if you choose the test automation role, that the script, like if you choose any Java language and build the automation script and learn, I mean, create that, so you can use that same script to test not just application which is built onto the uh, Java, but you can test the application built onto the .NET. So whatever automation script you are building, that will be independent or will not depend like the script you are building that is developed into the say Java technology, so will not test the your .NET application. You can test any application whatever you want. So as a fresher, I would recommend to start learning the Java language, means build the automation script using Java, because there is a fair amount of demand available in the market. So, but nowadays that the demand is moving towards to the .NET, but it is going to take a while to means to to available all these tools in the .NET language. So maybe we can use the Java language as a start for the beginners, because a lot of the forums are already available. So if you stuck anywhere, you can easily search it onto the net and you will find the details there. So what is the first step? Like if you want to learn the test automation, then what is the first step? Like you need to learn the choose any tool. Like there are several tools available to build the automation script. The most popular one is the Selenium. It's an open source, and you can we can also means choose the other tools also, but since we need to start with the Java, then you can use the start learning the Selenium. And I'm going to put the series of the videos, and there we will cover all these uh, required prerequisites and the how we can build these scripts using Java in the Selenium. So Selenium supports the various different bindings. It has a binding for the Java, C Sharp, and the other languages. So we will be focusing on to the Java. So what are the different paths available to this particular automation role? So once you start learning the automation, you can automate the web application, means anything that runs onto the browser. You can do the API test automation, be it as a RESTful API or a SOAP-based API, and you can automate the applications, mobile apps, maybe on Android or onto the iPhone. For that, these different means tool we have to use, that is the APM one. So I will be posting some videos related to the APM as and when I get the time. And you can also do the automation script. You can build the automation script for the desktop applications, like on Windows based application. For that, you can use again the APM, and there are other tools also available like the uh, WinApp driver, so which is of Microsoft. It is again the open source. So I thought, like, I'm just put this video to give you the context about the what exactly is a test automation role and how this role is useful, or for the freshers, or they can start the career with it. The main difference between the test automation role and the development, that development you need to stick with the technology, whereas if you learn the test automation and if you know the how to build the script in one language, then you can run it onto the various different means applications. So test automation means language means the kind of agnostic, like you need to build it and run it over different technology stacks. So I hope you will like this video. So moving forward, I will be putting the videos for the Selenium as well as for APM, and also I'm going to create a new series of videos for the API test automation. So desktop part I will cover a little later. So watch out for my all new videos. Yeah, that's pretty much I have for this particular video. Yeah, thanks a lot. Yeah, bye.